Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Hope everyone is doing good out there. You know, everybody's being progressive. If we no can and the people them when at the wet spot, them are open and stay dry and safe. Alright, so welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today I have some video lineup for you, right? I have one with Spice, and I go see where Spice go on with. Spice a big joker. I don't know that already still. And then I have Shenseea for showing. So Shenseea got a bunch of gift from our fans, right? The Shenyang them come out for Shenseea. So first, let's take a look at the video with Spice. Look what Spice going with. Here goes.
You have to protect the wig at any means necessary. Dad, come now. Good time. Lord, I'm going to flip out. You said that the weird on my hand, the jump right like that.
Penny, your door.
So Spice posted a video there and she said, Jamaica a flood out, but I got to protect my wig at any means necessary. But even what make this more funny is just that she posted one picture before, right? And she posted a picture here and say, I just woke up, took a long hot shower and wash out my ear. So I don't know, say Spice, I take this ear thing for joke. You see what I say? It also happened that 2 times, you know what I mean, in ICMD, the wig story come up, you know, when she wash her hair and hang it up, which is the wig, and then now she have to take off her wig to go under the umbrella. You see me? So big up Spice and big up that blue wig there. You see what I say? Big up yourself, mama. You know a thing go. So let's move on and talk about Shenseea. So as you all know, I made a video yesterday and showing us Shenseea was in Atlanta. She had a show in Atlanta and the show the pack people. You see me? I say, well, if people turn out feet, right? But anyway, though, you know, she look like she move on to New York. Now, I don't know what go on with New York. You see me? I say, I don't see no performance yet or nothing. So I don't know yet. I stand by if you see that. As soon as I get that video there, I will show you that also, right? But let's talk about the gifts where she gets. She got a bunch of gifts. Now, I'm showing that she get some roses yesterday, but roses wasn't the only thing. Our fans them basically go above and beyond for her. You see me, I say, and me I go show you the things them what she get. Them very unique, and you know what I mean. We are gonna talk about it after this. All right, so here goes.
Watch your now.
You have to turn the glass around.
Whoa, thank you. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys. Got more stuff. Caca farts. Talk about that. Nobody can poison me in my seat. All right, babes. Thank you.
Happy belated birthday. May you be blessed with many, many more, with all the greatest of hopes to work together in the future. This is from our upcoming artist. Thank you so much. All the best. With the love from a real Shenyang boss, Christina. Thank you, Christina. Things have been rough lately, but the show and the vibes have really lifted my spirits. Oh, amazing. Stay amazing. Keep being an inspiration to the world. Big up, Christina. Thank you. It's a lot of goodies. I like this. It's unique. Nice. The pearls are a nice touch. What? Things in there too? Oh, go on. A grab bag. You know what I mean? I'll be using this in my pool. Me and Raj out. Pan the donut. Cause I'm a star. Got a heat brush. My hot comb is a heat brush. Guys, you know you can put your tags, your IG name and everything on the gifts or whatever that you're giving me. I'll be happy to show you guys out. Y'all have been supporting my business. Don't take me nothing to shout you out as well when I get them. So next time, put all your tags on them so I can support your business and send other Shenyangs to it, okay? Thank you. Chop Monster. Yardy Beauty, Bag of Excitement by Yardy Cosmetics. Yo, is a whole box of makeup in here. Crazy. Non-stop. These are eyeshadows. These are eyelashes right here. Damn, never ending box. Thank you. Damn, I need a new suitcase. Thank you guys. Posters live. And Shenyang masks. Everybody will come on my show and get it, huh? Bye, babies. New York, we just touched down. New York.
Yeah, so big up our fans them come out and care gift for Shenseea. Shenseea fans them always a give her a gift, whether or not her birthday, you know what I mean, she always a get painting mostly and all kind of different gift me see she get. I can't just say a painting mostly, but she did get a bunch of paintings though. You see me? And I love draw her a lot. You see me? Whole heap of sketches she always get. Yeah. I actually know one of them people I will give her a gift, like the company still. Yeah, the cosmetics. So yeah, the cosmetics, you know, big up on yourself. So now doing the things same way, and I mean shout out to you, right? But people, this is actually a good way to get your business out. Like Shenseea say, don't forget to put your tag on it so she can tag you when time she posts it. Cause like now, you know what I mean, if anybody are watching them like anything what did they, them can actually find it and find out who sell it or you know what I mean, who produce those kind of things. So that's a good move. You see me? I'm like the fact that Shenseea, you know what I mean, I encourage it. So in time you got a show, you know, it's like a 2-for-1. You go forget the entertainment as well as you can promote your business. So yeah, it's a good look, people. I like it. Now tomorrow's supposed to be Ramish's birthday, so may I say. So when I know say Ramesh, I tell everybody happy birthday all year. I am responsible for all the birthday shout outs. So tomorrow a female actual birthday, but it look like them still, I don't know where they at now right now. You see me, I say, we don't know where I'm gonna be on him birthday neither. So we don't know if he gonna go back go check him son or you know him gonna go home or however it go. But we just are telling you that because you know that's what I'm gonna cover tomorrow. Yeah. So shout out to all the Shenyang them, you know what I mean? It's really a good look for when I support an artist like that, you know, and promoting the thing at the same time. So people, that's the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for keep on sharing, liking and commenting, and thank you for being here day in, day out, you know what I mean, on the daily. On a big up on yourself on that. So have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. On a big up on yourself, stay safe, stay dry. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah,